resolved. This video has been prepared for educational purposes only. No part of it may be reproduced or copied without the permission of the copyright holder.
Hello friends, this is Shreyans Kothari and I welcome you all to the YouTube channel of S. Chand Academy. Yes, you have landed the right place because here we are with the video solution of Quantitative Aptitude. Man, this is the book. This is the book you need for any examination. I think the most comprehensive book for Quantitative Aptitude in any competition. You name the competition exam. You want to go for UPSC, it is there. You want to go for bank, you want to go for SSC, railways, campus recruitments, whatever you want to go for, just go for this book first. And this book is a gateway for all the competition examination. आपको क्या करना है? This channel provides you a lot of video solutions. The basic concept we follow is we just clear the concept first and we take some of the questions from the chapters so that you get everything about that chapter in a single video. अगर आपके पास book नहीं है, अभी जाइए book लीजिए. But this video can act as a standalone video because by using this video, by viewing this video, the chapter will be clear itself. So what are you waiting for? Without wasting time, let's move to the chapter. So here we are with the chapter, new chapter. Here it is, chapter number 36. This chapter is the starting of data interpretation. That is section number 2 of this book. Data interpretation दोस्तों बहुत ज़्यादा important part है. किसी भी एग्जाम को आप ले लीजिए, whether it is RAS exam, UPSC exam, banking exam, SSC exam, any exam you take and there is this data interpretation part there. What is data interpretation? Basically आपको डेटा जब देना है ना तो उन्होंने क्वेश्चन के रूप में सेंटेंस के रूप में फ्रेम नहीं करके उसको ग्राफ में बना दिया. एक्चुअली इसका और रिवर्स चलते हैं. कोई भी डेटा को जब हम पढ़ते हैं ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है तो हमें आकलन करना इजी होता है, उसको एनालाइज करना बहुत इजी होता है. सो एनालाइज करने के लिए हम डेटा को ग्राफ चार्ट के फॉर्मेट में रखते हैं. इसके लिए वो क्वेश्चन बन जाते हैं कि अगर ये चार्ट दे रखा है, क्या ये चार्ट पढ़ना आपको आता है? आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस चार्ट? दिस इज व्हाई डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन इज देयर. सो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन इज टेबुलेशन. आपको जो भी डेटा है वो एक टेबल के फॉर्मेट में दे दिया. उस टेबल को कैसे रीड करना है आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा. तो हम क्या करेंगे? विल डू ऑल द क्वेश्चंस इजीली. एक एक चीज को समझाएंगे कि what exactly you need to see, when and what you need to look out for. Here we go. Chapter number 36, exercise first we have, and here we go with the question number 15 to 19. Let's see what is given. आपको एक टेबल बना हुआ है because as I said कि ये tabulation वाला part है, so all the data will be in a tabular form. टेबल में दे रखा होगा. The given table shows the percentage population of 6 states. There are 6 states, S1 to S6. Percentage of population below poverty line. So how much the percentage of these people are living below poverty line? BPL लोग कितने हैं? And the proportion of males and females. Male और female का proportion क्या है? Below poverty line जितने लोग हैं उसमें से 4:3 का रेशियो है मेल फीमेल का, ऐसा 3:4 का है, 2:3 का है. एंड अबव पॉवर्टी लाइन जो लोग हैं उनका भी रेशियो इज गिवन. सो बोथ द रेशियोज आर गिवन. नाउ व्हाट इज आस्क्ड? लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन में क्या कहता है. इफ द टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ स्टेट 1 इज गिवन, दैट इज 44 गिवन, 4400. सो व्हाट विल डू इज टोटल पॉपुलेशन, that is 4400 and that is for S1, right? Then what is the approximate number of females above poverty line in state S1? Above poverty line females पूछी हैं S1 में. Now अभी this is like very absurd thing, how to find what? कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा कौन से डेटा को कैसे यूज लेना है. Let's go on that part. First thing is स्टेट 1 में the percentage of population below poverty line is 16. That means there are 16% who are living below poverty line. That means 100 में से 16 people are below poverty line. That means remaining 84 persons are above poverty line. Is that all right? So 84, what is the approximate number of females in this? So which is asked above poverty line in state 1, right? State 1 में above poverty line कितने लोग हैं जो females हैं? I know it very well. 16 are below poverty line. That means 84 are above poverty line. Is that clear? Write it. So how much is that 84? So 84 percentage, that is 84 by 100 into of what? 4400. By 4400 का 84% is above poverty line. That is given. इस state की population given है. Percentage of people below poverty line given है. So above poverty line निकाल के हम 3:2 से वो कर देंगे, 3:2 का ratio निकाल देंगे. But first we need to find out how many of them are above poverty line. So we cancel out this by this. We got 84 into 44. So what we do is just multiply 84 into 44. So what we get? Let's see. We have with us 4 into 4 is 16. We have got 1. 8 into 4 is 32 and 133. So what we'll do is write this twice. We got 6 here and 3 and 6 is 9. 3 and 3 is 6 and 6. So we have got 3696. These are the total number of people. There are the total number of people who are above poverty line. So poverty line se upar we have 3696 people. What is question asked? The asked question is how many females are there? Out of them, how many females are there, right? So let's see. This is given as 3:2. That means if we consider total 5 portions, 5 parts, why 5? 2 plus 3 is 5. So if we consider total 5 parts, out of the 5 parts, 2 are female, right? So we just want to know 2 by 5. Why? Because out of 5, there are 2. So how many of 3696, right? So just cancel out. 36 is like 35, so almost 7, right? We got 19. So 19 is like 3 times 15. We get 46. 46 is, let's say for example 45, because we want to just approximate value. So 45. 45 is 9 times. So we got 739. And whatever is multiple of 2, 739 into 2 is the answer. So like 39 ka double ho jayega 78. So we got 78 and 7 ka 2 ho jayega 14. So 1478 is the final answer we have got. Is there an option like 1478? Yes, we have 1478, not 87. 1478. It was like 78.5 or something, but approximate value is 1478. That is the final answer. Here we go with the next question. Now you need to understand the each and every point which is made. Understand the question first and then understand the table and what is required, just what is asked, right? Let's do the next question. Question number 16. If the total population of state S3 and S4 together is 17,000, so it is given that S3 and S4 together is 17,000. That is given. What is the total number of females below poverty line in the above mentioned states? Below poverty line. What is the below poverty line? Number of females. So number of females below poverty line. If the ratio of people between the total population between state S3 and S4 is given, then we can divide 17,000 in some numbers. But here the problem is individually S3 and S4 people are not given. So if they're individually not given, how is it possible to divide them? So I think that answer cannot be given because data given is insufficient. Data provided is inadequate. Is there any option like that? Yes, it is. So you need to remember that all data must be given, not necessary. If some data is not given and without that you cannot find the answer, then the answer is data inadequate. Remember this, right? Here we move on to the next question. Here we go, question number 17 for you all. What does it say? It says, if population of males below poverty line, state 1 is 18,000, then then and that of state 5 is 24,000. What is the ratio of total population of state 1 to state 5? Total population का निकालना है. First thing is below poverty line, so we need to look at this. Second thing is S1 and S5, so we need to look at S1 and S5. We should know कि हम कौन सा data देख रहे हैं. मैं बहुत आराम से इसलिए करा रहा हूं because you need to understand what is actual thing we need to do in exam. So it is given, and these are male, right? Now what is asked? If 4:3 is the ratio of below poverty line people, and that is just the 16% of something, male are given, so these 18,000 are actually male. So what we do is divide by 4 portion. Why 4? Because in total, if there are 7, so 4 are male. If there are total 7, 4 are male. Again I repeat, if there are 7, 4 are male. If there are 4 male and then on every 4 male there is a 3 female, there are 3 females. So what we'll do is, we'll divide into a single part. 18,000 को 4 से divide किया, single part calculate हो जाएगा. इसको when we multiply by 7, we'll get the total population of people which are below poverty line. Total मिल जाएगा, बस उतना ही चाहिए हमें. एक बार पहले वो मिल जाएगा, तो then we'll found the total number of people in the state. So what we'll do is divide that 4. We got 9,002. And 9,000 divided by 2 is 4,500, right? Now this 4,500, when multiplied by 7, 0, 0, no issues. 7, 5, 35, carries 3. 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31. So we got 31,500 as the total population below poverty line. And that population is 16%. So, say for example, if the total population is X and out of that 16%, that is 16 by 100, is given as 31500, we have to find out what is X, right? Total population, that is X1, because we are finding the population of state 1. So what we'll do is just cancel out at 8 here. So we got 8 and 50, then we have got 4 and 25, and then we have got 2 here, and just cancel that out. So we have got 3 means what? 2. So 2 1s are 2, we got 11, 5s are 11, so 10, 15 is 7s are 14, we've got 1 here, so 10, 5, 15750 when we divided it by 2. Now again divided by 2. So 15 is 14 7 times, 17 is 16 8 times, then 15 is 7, then we have got 110, so 5. 7875 is when we divided this by 16. Done. Now this has to be multiplied there. So what we get is X1 finally is 25 into 31500. We can do a simple, sorry, not 31500. I am sorry for this. It will be 7875. So just do one thing. So 25 into 7875. Let's multiply it. So it is like 7875. When multiplied by 25 is 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25, 2. 5 7s are, so 5 7s are 35, 37 we have, 3 is the carry, 5 8s are 43, so 3, 4 is carry, 5 7s are 35, 39. Then we have 2, so 5 0, 2 5s are 10, carry is 1, 7 2s are 14, carry 1 15, 1 carry here, 8 and 2 16, 1 17, carry 1, 7 2s are 14 and 1 15. So finally we have 5 7 8 6 1 9 1 1 9 6 8 7 5. That is the total population of S1, right? Now this is the population of S1 and you need to remember, see, whatever may the calculation big is, just do the simple method and you will find a solution for that. Don't afraid of it, right? So we have to, we don't write anything. Now what is our X next? S5. So we need to do the same thing for S5. So S5, the state's population is 24,000 and that is the population of male below poverty line. So male below poverty line, right? We'll do it here. So male below poverty line for S5, that is male, 3. So total portion is 3 and 6, 9. So what we'll do is 12.7, what we'll do is 24,000, that is divided by 3 and multiplied by 9. Why so? Because that 24,000 is 3 part of total 9. So just do one thing, just multiply with this 24 into 3, 72. So we have got 72,000. 70,000 is the total population of below poverty line people. So if it is below poverty line people and that is just a 12.5%. So what we'll do is 12.5% of X2 is equal to 72000, right? So what we'll do? We'll write X2 is equal to 72000 into 100 divided by 12.5. So point removed and 0 written. Not here, at least here, right? So point removed, 0 written. Now 125 is 5 times, 125 is 4 times. That is what I did with the 25 multiplied by 5, 25 multiplied by 4. Now this 5 can be divided like this. 7 is 1 time, we got 22. 22 is 4 time, so we got 20. So 20 is again 4 time and we got 1, 2, 3. And 144 into 4 times we have to do. So 144 into 2 is 288. 288 into 2. So what we need to do is 288 into 2. 8 into 2 is 16. 1. 16 and 1, 17. 1. 2 to the 4 and 1, 5. 576. So finally we have arrived at 576. Then we have 3 zeros, right? 3 zeros. So we have 576,000 is the population of S2. S5. We can write it S5. Now, what is asked? We have to find out the S1 to that of S5. S1 to that of S5. So both are on the screen, S1 and S5. We'll have to find this ratio. 196875. 196875. We have to find out the ratio of this, right? Let's see what we can do. What we can do is initially we divided by 25. Why? Because 25 has 75 in it and double zeros are in. So 25 से बहुत easily हो जाएगा. 25 से जब मैं पूरा divide करता हूँ, 196 is 200. 8 times is 8, 200. 200 is more than 196. So not required. So 7 time. 7 time if I do it, we were left with 175. 175, 96 minus 175, 96 minus 75. 96 minus 75 is 21. 21 and we get 8. So 218, we have here with 218. So this time 8 times. So we got 200. So 18 is there. So 18 and we get 7 from here. So 187, again we do it 7 times. So we have got 175. When we remove 187 minus 75, so how much is it? 5 and 7 is 12. So we got 12 here. 12 here and 5 is there. So 5 times is 125. So here we remove directly with the 25 directly. Now do the second calculation. 576. So when I do 576000, something like that, divided by 25. So 1 time is 25. So we have got 2 times is 50. So if we have 50 here, 2 times, that what's 7 here is 76. 3 times 75, we have got 10. So not divided, 100. 4 and 1 0. So 23040 is that. So we are left with 23040. Now let's do it once again with the 75, because see 25, 5, because this 75 is okay, but that 40 is not divided by 25 anymore. So when we divide it by 5, we have got 7875. So 7 is like 1 time. Then we have got 28. 28 is 5 times. So we have got 3. 37 is 7 times. So we have got 2. So 5. 1575. This divide by 5. So 23 will be 4 times. 23 is 4 times. 20. So we got 30. So 6. Then 4 is nothing. And then we have got 40 is 8. So 4608 when you divide this by. So still we need to calculate. So don't worry about the calculation part. Just calculate again and again and again. So now we are here with the one more calculation because 3 can be done. So let's do it by 3. So what is left here? 3 से अगर मैं करता हूँ 15 is like 5 times. Then 7 is 2 times. Then 25 is, sorry, 7 is 2 times 15. 5 where here we got 5 to 5. So let's divide this by 3 now. So 3 is 1 time 3, 16. 16 is 15, so 5 times 15. We got 10. 10 is 3 times 9. Then 1, 18, 6 times. 5 to 5 and 15, 36. Still divisible by 3. So 1 time we've got 2 here. So 22. 7 times 21. So 3, 15. So 5 times 175 here. Just divide this by 3 now. So 15 is like 5 times, 1 time and 2 time. 175 is to 512. Is by any chance there any number like 175, 512? 175, 512, is there any option like that? 175, 512. No option at all. That means other than those given options. So finally we have arrived at this answer. But we needed the calculation part. In examination, similar thing will happen. You need to calculate, recalculate, and that is it. You need to calculate. So, say for example, I could have done this calculation part, this part. मैं directly 75 से divide करना चाहता था. But I thought मैं 75 से करता तो हम शायद 1-2 step कम कर देते. But what I thought is examination में कुछ student जो कर सकते हैं वो तो वैसे भी कर लेंगे. But जो नहीं कर सकते हैं उन्हें तो यही method best रहेगा. And we have arrived at the correct answer as well. Here we go. We go with question number 18. What does it say? If the population of males above poverty line of state 2 is 4100, what is the total population of state 2? So state 2, this is the state 2. Above poverty line, males are 5. Above poverty line, the males are 5. So total members 5 and 7 is 12. So this 4100 is actually the 5 part of total 12 parts. Why did I divide 4100 by 5? Simple ratio method. You know it very well. 4100 divided by the male part. That will give you the 1 part. And when you multiply the 12 part, you will get the total part. So what we do is 41 से इसको divide करना बहुत बड़ा नहीं है. It's like 8 times 100. 10 is like 2 times and 0. So 820 when multiplied by 12 will give you the answer. So just multiply it by 12. So 12 zeros are 12, 12 twos are 24. We get 2 here. 12 into 8 is 96. So 96, 97, 98. So we got 9840 is the total population above poverty line. That is APL, total population of APL. Now this above poverty line people are, see below poverty line from S2, there are 18% below poverty line. So if it is 18%, that means 82% will be above poverty line. 18 are below poverty line. 100 minus 18 is 82. So 82 will be this. So what we need now is, we know that X, that is total population. When we find out the 82% of that, and that will be like 9840. So X is equal to 9840 divided by 82 into 100. Let's calculate. So just do the simple calculation. Just divided by 2, we get 41. Just divide by 2, 98 is like 9 times is 2 times, because we are dividing by 2. So 4 times. So 4 times 18 is like 9 times. 4 is like 2 times 4920 divided by 41. So I think this is the time we should divide this 4920. Let's divide 4920 divide by 41. So one time it is 41, we got 82. 82 is 2 times and 82 is cancelled out 0. So 120 into 00, it's like 120 and then 00. 12,000 is the total population of S2. It is like any option like 12,000. Yes, it is. So that is for sure the answer, 12,000, and we found out very easily. Let's move on to the next question. Sorry. Here we go. Question number 19. If the state S6, this is the S6. Oh, where are you going? This is the S6. Population of female above poverty line is 4,800. Population of female above poverty line is 4,800. Then what is the population of males below poverty line? We need to find males below poverty line. This is above poverty line, this is below poverty line. Let's see what we can do. See, for sure this is 4,800. So 4,800 is total part. So total is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 4,800 is just the female. That means divide by 3 into what we need to do is 3 and 2 is 5. Similar fashion we are doing 4,800. ये केवल फीमेल पार्ट है, मतलब 3 पार्ट है. So इसको 3 पार्ट से डिवाइड किया, we'll get value of 1 part. When multiplied by 5 parts, it will give the total population above poverty line. So simply 1 times and 6 times and 0. When you multiply 16 into 5, we got 8,000. 8,000. So 8,000 is the total population above poverty line. And that total population above poverty line is 36%. So we know that 36% is, what do you say, this female below poverty line. So remaining 64 percentage, 36% is below poverty line. 100 minus 36 is 64. So this X ka 64,000, 64% is 8,000. So what is simple calculation? I guess 1,000 इधर आ जाएगा और 8 इधर आ जाएगा. Why? Because 8 into 1 is 8 and 8 into 8 is 64. So what we'll do is 8 को पहले तो यहाँ कम कर दो, like 50 here and 4 here. Then we have 25 here and 2 here, and then 500 here and nothing here. So X is equal to what? X is equal to 500 into 25. So 25 into 5 is 125. So we got 125,100. So that is the total population, and out of that 36% is below poverty line. So we need to find out how many are below poverty line. So what I do is 36, or not 36,000. It was like 125,000 I guess. 125,000, right? So we have got 125,000. That is the total population, out of which 36% are below poverty line, and out of which what we need to find. Let's see what we need to find. S6 में क्या निकालना है? Males below poverty line. We need to find males. Males is M. M is first one. So males are 4 out of 9. Out of these 9, 4 are male. Out of these 9, 4 are male. So what we can do? 9 into 4, 36. 4 into 4 is 16. So multiply this 12500 into 16 and you are there. Put 2 zeros, no issues. 16 into 5, that is 80. We got 8 here. 16 into 2 is 32. 32 and 8 is 40. We got 4 here. 16 ones are 16 and so 2 0 0 0 0 0. Now how much to divide by? 2 lakh I guess. 2 lakh. 2 lakh divided by 2 zeros are to be removed. So remove 2 lakh. So remove is 2000. So final answer is 2000. 2000 are the male below poverty line of S6. Is there any option like that? 2000, yes it is. So here we go. 2000 is the answer. So in the similar way, you can do all the questions of this type of question. Let's move to some other DI. So let's move on to next DI. Here we have exercise number 2nd and exercise number 2nd has more DI. And I think this is a bit different one. It's a missing DI or something. Generally comes in IBPS RRB examination officer grade B for 2015. Missing, some numbers are missing. What is said? Let's read first. Study the table. This is table. Look, net revenue. This is the net revenue. Gross revenue. This is the gross revenue. Minus amount allocated for commission. So this is the amount allocated for the commission and amount allocated for the discount and other offers. So these are the things we need to know. This gross revenue minus commission amount minus discount amount is the net revenue, right? So let's see what is the question. See, few values are missing in the table indicated by dash. A candidate is expected to calculate the missing value. It is required for the answer of given question, right? So आपको ये calculate करने को बोल रहा है. If it is required, we'll definitely find out. If it is not required, leave it. Now in March, this is the March part. Here it is. If net revenue, what is the net revenue here? Question mark. Of the magazine was 85% of his gross revenue. Gross revenue का 85% रहा ये. Then what was the amount allocated for the discount and others? ये वाला question पूछ लिया. So it has asked the question. Let's see इसको कैसे करते हैं. See, understand. इसका 85% निकाल लेते हैं. Net revenue निकल जाएगा. Net revenue निकलने के बाद, so what we'll do is we'll find out that what is the 85% of 36,000, right? So do the very simple calculation. We have got 36,000, 36,000 actually 3,60,000. 3,60,000. We need to find out 85% of that, right? Why do we need that? Because 85% of gross revenue is net revenue. So what we'll do is cancel out these zeros and multiply 3600 into 85. So we have got 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 6 into 5, 5 6 are 30, we got 3 here, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18. So we got 18 here. Now 0, 0, 0, leave it. Now 8 into 6, 48, we have 4 here. Now 8 into 3. So 8 into 3 is 32. 8 into 3 is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we have 28 here, right? We have got 0, 0, 0. 8 and 8 is 16. We got 1 here. 8 and 1, 9 and 1, 10. We got 0 here, 3. So it is like 306,000. So 306,000 is actually the net revenue. So we'll write 306,000 is the net revenue, right? Now we need to find the amount allocated. See this. This minus this minus this is equal to this. So do very simple calculation. We'll do that. 36,1234 minus 31200 minus x is equal to 306,000. See, this minus x goes there, becomes x. This 306,000 comes here, becomes minus this. So what we'll do is we will have to just minus these two amounts, right? So what we'll do is first subtract this amount. So 0 and 0 got 0, 0 and 0 got 0, right? Done. Now 10 minus 2 is 8. Done. 10 minus 2 is 8. So 9 minus 1 is again 8. That is got cancelled. So this is gone. Now 36 minus 3 is 33. So 33, not 36, 35 it is now. So 35 minus 3, 35 minus 3 is 32. So we are left with 32, 8800. Now we have to remove this 306000, right? So what we'll do is 306000. We need to minus. So 0, 0, we've got 0, 0. Then 8 here, 8 here. 8 minus 6 is 2 here. And 2 minus 0 is 2 here. So finally we have got 22800. Is there any option like 2288, 22800? Yes, we do have 22800. So it was previous year question. What I think is it was not much of tricky, but basic was calculation, more of calculation. You need to find out 85% of that, and with a lot of zeros, then we have to all do plus minus, and there are chances of silly mistakes. So don't do in a hurry. Do it very calm and composed manner, right? So let's move on to the next question. Let's see what does it say. It says question number 5 of the same, right? 5 of the same. Let's see what does it say. In May, so our focus is on May. This is the May, right? We have May here and May. Though two things are still left. The respective ratio of amount allocated for commission and amount allocated for discount is 4:3. So this amount and this amount is 4:3. So what was the gross margin? Gross revenue. We have to find out gross revenue. So let's see what happens. See, 36,000 is 3 times of total 7, right? 36,000 is basically 3 parts of total 7 parts. How can I say that? See, this is 4:3. That means this portion and this portion is 4:3. So this is 4x, this is 3x. How many x are there? 7x. So 7x we have to find out. And we have 36,000 as the 3 part. So when I divide by 3, I'll get 1 part. When I multiply it by 7, we'll get what we need. So I guess very simple calculation it is. 3 से 36 को divide करते हैं. We got 1, 2 and then 000. 7 into 12. So 7 12s are 84. So we got 84,000. 84,000 is the total amount. No. Sorry. We don't want 7 parts here. We just want the 4 parts here. We just want the 4 parts, na? So 4 parts. Why 4 parts? See, there was a big thing we need to understand. We need to find this. Not the whole, just this. So just this is 4 part. So multiply by 7 nahi hoga, multiply by 4 hoga, right? Agar multiply by 4 hoga, 12 into 4 is 48. So we have got 48,000. So here it is 48,000. Here it is 36,000. 33,600 is given. So add all of them. We got the answer. So 48,000. Add 36,000. Add 336. So 336,000. Let's see what does it say. Just add them up. Fatafat se. We got 0, 0, 0. Not to look about it. 6 and 6, 12 and 8. Again 0. We got 2 here. So now 4 and 2, 6. 6 and 6, 12. So we have got 42. 4,20,000. Is there any option 4,20,000 in the options? Yes, it is. Here we go. So I think this DI was not that tough. This DI was not tricky. Just had more calculation and hell lot of zeros there. So zero को ही हमने बहुत सारा समझना था, arrange करना था, and we got this. So let's do some other DI. In the same exercise, we have one more DI at question number 11. So what does it say? Let's see what is it saying? It is saying that study the table carefully and answer the given questions. The total exports of 6 countries given. So total exports of 6 countries. Countries P, Q, R, S, T, U, 6 countries. Over the years of 5 years. So in rupees crore. So that is in rupees crore. So generally doesn't matter. Now what is profit? Profit is export minus import. What do you import and what is export? So export minus import is obviously that is the profit. Now what is asked? What is the total profit of all the countries together in the year 2002? 2002, what is the profit it is, and if the total import is given, import of 2002 is 385. Let's calculate the total profit, total export of the country, all countries in 2002. So all countries, when you add them, 5 and 5, 10, so carries 1, 9 and 1, 10, 10 and 10, 20, 26, 28, 28 and 40, 51. So we have got 510 is the total export, 510 crores. So if we use the formula that what is the profit, exports minus imports. So profit, export we have calculated, import is given. Just do the necessary things. So we need to calculate this, right? So 0, that is 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. It is 0 here. 10 minus 8 is 2. We got 1 here. So 4. 4 minus 125. 125 crore. Is there any option like 125 crore? Here it is. So that was not that tough. Just remember the formula is profit equal to export minus import. Export minus import. And whatever is given, just calculate that. Let's do some other question as well. Second question, it is from IBPS Bank Specialist Officer, IT and 2015, right? So now what does it say? The ratio of export to import of country S and U is given. Export to import of S is 1:2, U is 4:1 for year 1998. So year 1998 it is given. What is the total import of the country U and S together in that particular year? So you need to find the total import, right, in that year. So S is this, U is this. Export to import. So E to I. So if 45, see, for country S, the ratio of export to import is 1:2. So 1:2, this 45, export is 1, then import is 2. That means whatever the export is, import is just double of that. Whatever the export is, import is double. So if, for example, export is 45, what is double of 45? 90. So for country S, the import is 90 crores. Now we move on to next part. U ke andar, it was given 4:1. Then whatever number is 4, just divide by 4 and you get the 1. Divide by 4, you get the 1. So what is this? 24. 24 divide by 4. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. So this will be 6 crores. So what is the total amount? That is 96 plus 90 plus 6 is 96 crore. In that particular year was the total import, right? This is the way you do. Very simple method, the basic ratio method, basic. Here we go. The next question. We have question number 13 with us. What does it say? If the export of country P, let's talk about country P in 2003. 2003 is not given. So it is asked something. Is 20% more than the total export of country Q in 2001 and the export of country T in 2000. So T in 2000 it is 55 and Q in 2001. So Q in 2001 is 50, right? And T is this. Then what was the profit of P in year 2003 if the import was given? So import is given. First find out the export of that country P in year 2003 and then what we do. So just do one thing. जो दे रखा है उसको समझिए. 55 crore is 2000 T का 2000 में what do you say export and 50 crore is 2001 में Q का export. So just add them up. So 55 and 50 is 105 crore is the total value. But in 2003 P is 20% more than that. More, not 20% of this, 20% more. So if it is 20% more, that means what we need to do is 105, 20% more. So 120 by 100. Why 120? Because if it is 100 times, it is same. If it is 120, that means it is more 20%. So just calculate this 0. Let's calculate 12 times. So 12 into 5 is 60. Then 12 ones are 12. 1260 divided by 0 is 126. So whatever 105 crore is in 2003, it will be 126 crore. What is it? It is export of P. P's export is 126 crore. And what is asked? It is asked that what is profit of P, and profit will be calculated when you subtract import from export. Export is 126, import is a 92. So what we'll do is 126 minus 92, 6 minus 2 is 4, 12 minus 9 is 3, 34 crore is the total profit of company P, country P in 2003. And this is the way you need to do all the remaining questions, right? We'll do one more DI and we'll see how things change when DI change, right? We'll do one more. Okay, so let's do some more DI from the exercise number 4. We are doing some exercise number 4. So question number 1 to 5, there is some bigger DI, right? Lot of numbers are there. So let's see what does it say. It says that the number of boys and girls in hundreds in 6 different years of 5 different schools. So we have 6 different years, 5 different schools, and every year how many boys and how many girls are there, right? What is the approximate percentage decrease in the number of boys in school D in year 2008 as compared to the previous year? So where is 2008? Here it is 2008 and here is D. So number of boys, so just calculate the number of boys in 2008. So 2008 had boys of 5.3 and 2007 they had 6.4. So what is 5.3? See, it is written that these are in hundreds. So whatever it is written, say for example 1.1 is written somewhere here. This is 100. So do just one thing, multiply by 100. So 1 removed and 0 is there. So 1.1 actually represent 110. So what we need to do is any number given in it, just remove the point and put a 0. Remove the point, put a 0. So 5.3 means remove the point and put a 0, that is 530 is the number of boys in 2008. 2007 it was 6.4. So put the point, remove the point and put a 0. So 640. When you find the decrease, so what is decrease? 640 minus 530, we'll get 110. And 110, that 110 is over 640 students. So that is the decrease, right? Into 100 and you will get the percentage. Remove that 0 first. 64 is like divide by 4. So here we get 25 and here we get 16. Nothing more divided. So 11 into 25. 25 into 10 is 250 and 250, that is 275. So 25 into 11 is 275. 275 divided by 16 we need to do, right? You can't do anything, just divide it. So we have 16 here, we have 275 here. So one time it is like 16. So what is left? 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 and 5. So 115, how much time? It is like, so 7 times almost is like 16 into 7 is 112. So we get 112 here. So if I get 112 here, we get 0, 7 point something. So 30 is again 0.1 or something like that. So what is the option? Let me see. Option is like 17, 12, 9, 5, 30, 23. No, none. So 17 point something is like 17 only. So we have got 17 as the answer. Approximate percentage decrease. So decrease is from this to this. found out the decrease, and then do the percentage. Let's do some one or two more questions so that you understand question. This is question number 3 from the same DI. Question number 3, right? What is the average number of girls in the school A in all the years taken together? Average number of girls. You need to add all the girls, right? And divide by every year. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 years. So divide by 6. Let's add them first. Let's try to add them first. Can we add it here? Let's try. Leave it. We will add them here. Just write all of them. So here it is 3.6. Here it is 4.2. Then we have got 6.9. Then we have got 9.6. 9.6. Then we have 12.9. And then we have 14.4. Just add them out. Okay. We are just adding them. See, 6 and 2, 8. 8 and 6, 14. 14 and 4. 14 and 4 is 18. 18 and 18 is 36. 3 here. So 3 and 3, 6. 6 and 4, 10. 10 and 12 is 22. 22 and 6 is 28. 28 and 9 is 37. 37 and 14. 37 and 14 is 51. So it is like 51.6. So we are here with the total is 51.6. So as I told you, how to read out, just remove the point and put a 0. So remove the point, put a 0, and we need to find the average. So for the average, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divide by 6, right? Here we go. 51. So 51 is like 48. 48 is like 8 times. And we have got 3. 36. 36 is like 6 times. We have got 6 here and 0 here. So 860, 860, 860. Here we go. 860 is the answer. So in this manner, you can do all the questions. Basic calculation you need to do. Basic of percentage, ratio. Similar kind of questions are there. What you need to understand, the most important point is just understand, interpret the graph first. Generally what I see in students is, if they see the graph, they just get afraid of it. Don't afraid of it at all. Don't be afraid of it. आपको डरने का जरूरत नहीं है, आपको समझने का जरूरत है. पहले टेबल को देखो. This is the first thing, and we'll have other graphs also coming in the other charts also coming in the down the line. So पहले टेबल को समझो. टेबल को समझ के आप क्वेश्चन को पढ़ लो. क्वेश्चन को पढ़ के अंडरस्टैंड करो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज इट आस्किंग. अगर आपने अभी तक पूरा के पूरा चैप्टर देख रखा है, चैप्टर 1 से लेके 35 तक, तो आई डोंट थिंक ये बेसिक वाले में कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगा. सो डू ऑल द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस. आई हैव लेफ्ट अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू ऑल बिकॉज वी वांटेड कि आपको बेसिक समझ आ जाए. मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस करा लिए हैं, कुछ आपके लिए छोड़ रखे हैं. डू ऑल ऑफ देम. शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा बिकॉज दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. एस चांद एकेडमी लेकर इसलिए आया है कि आप इसे आगे से आगे लोगों को बताएं, बिकॉज ये इतना हेल्पफुल होगा. वी डिडंट नो. जितने सारे स्टूडेंट्स का फीडबैक आ रहा है, वी फाउंड दिस ओवरवेलमिंग. सो डू वन थिंग व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू. क्वेश्चंस करिए, आगे से आगे इस वीडियो को शेयर करिए, और आपने अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, डू सब्सक्राइब योर फेवरेट चैनल एस चांद एकेडमी. थैंक यू.